For this look, we're using Holo Taco's long-lasting base, Holo Taco's not pressed, Holo Taco's lunar unicorn skin, Holo Taco's amber apathy, and Holo Taco's glossy taco. As with any good manicure, we start with a base coat. From here, we are painting our base color on our accent nails. You may require 2 coats for full opacity. Atop our base color goes the unicorn skin of our beautiful iridescent flakies. Seal this with a quick dry top coat and let it dry completely before blocking off a section diagonally with basic masking tape. Paint on the secondary color, which is also the color of our non-accent nails, and then peel the tape immediately while the polish is still wet to reveal the accent design. Seal the whole look in with a top coat, and you're done! Voila! Enjoy your manicure!